Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 here. I kind of wonder where all this frost came from. Well, it looked like it was a little frost. Okay. Well, I know it didn't snow last night. You know. Got frost on this thing. I don't know who left that there. Got frost right here. If I dare to walk up these steps, I better be careful though, cause I don't want to slip and fall. Cause yesterday somebody hit their head on one of these things. You know. Well, I ain't gonna walk up those steps. Whoa! I better be careful. Yep. They got frost all over. I guess it's a little frost. You know. I know it didn't snow last night. You know. Showing y'all around. I know it didn't snow out here last night. You know. Did it? No, it didn't. Cause you know, it wasn't this color at first. You know, look over here and look at the exercise park. Okay, I'm about to bring y'all over there, and there's a little frost on the roofs and stuff. You know, let's go walk around. Is there footprints here? Nah, no footprints. Well, all right. I kind of wonder where all this frost came from. Y'all see what I see? Yep. Well, we dog feces. I'm not gonna film that. Okay. Well, for anybody that's watching, y'all know I'm trying to get ratings and stuff. You know. All right, so we can't barely see no frost over here. Got frost right here too, you know. I mean, I know it didn't snow last night, you know. There's no frost on these. That's a little frost, you know. I'm like, I know it didn't snow, you know. Or did it rain last night? There's a little something right here too. It's frozen right here, you see? Yep. It's kind of frozen, you know? Yep. Oh, so look, they added a walkway over here, you know? So, they probably got frost on that too, you know? I gotta be careful, because this is slippery right here. I guess if I do this, if I slip, it'll go viral, I guess. You know? So as I walk here, this is frost right here. Well, almost frost. Okay. I don't even know where all that come from. Yep. So just doing a little filming, I guess. Okay. All right. They got frost on up there too, I guess. Well, it must have rained and I ain't know, you know, cause things was kind of wet. It turned to frost. Okay. All right. So, do y'all see what I see? Yep. All right. I'm about to stop this live stream. Okay. So thank y'all for watching so far. All right. Goodbye.